Morning. We are going trucking today. We're just trying to fill a seat in the 21 Western Star, and if you're in the Ottawa area looking to apply, we're hiring drivers. But because of that, I'm in the truck today and we're going down to a really cool site with a lot of big iron. It should be a pretty interesting day, so I'm going to get things going, do my pre-trip here, and get the day rolling, baby. Beautiful. All right, we made it here to site. Over there is a, I believe what is a 110 ton shovel, or it might be an old 90 ton, we'll see. Over there is a 90 ton, you got a 60 ton, you have cranes doing dynamic compaction back there, which is a super cool project. We're here 10 minutes early. We're in a lineup right now of about 10 trucks. So normally when you're on rental, that's how the day starts. They text you, well, and it's a little different because I'm the guy that they're texting, because I'm normally just dispatching my own trucks, but I'm actually driving today. So normally drivers get told, okay, you're going here at this time, be there at this time. And then you go to site, you show up, and you go from there, and we're moving. Get some cool shots for you guys today. This is gonna be really cool. And there's actually a guy screening topsoil here with the Warrior 1800, the same thing that we have. I think our topsoil's better. Oh, actually this stuff looks pretty nice. Oop, almost lost my coffee. Okay. We're getting loaded with an 1100 cat today. right, the next shovel that we're getting loaded with is a John Deere 870G. This thing is very large. It's 4 buckets instead of 3 to load us, and we're gonna back up to him here now. Okay, so this is how you actually lift the axles on this whenever you're on site here. What I do is 1, 2, 3, off, 1, 2, 3, on. And there you go. That's just one way of how to manually lift the axle on an automatic lift axle in the truck. It's super handy on site whenever you're doing something like this, when I don't really need my axle down because I'm just driving on this road here. You can see there's trucks all lined up there. And the spot that we're actually backing up into is super soft. So my axle actually, the first time, because I haven't driven the truck in a long time, I was like that driver that's backing up, bogging down everywhere, and guys are on the seat be like, lift your axle, young lad. Anyways, they're all a bunch of good guys. They're normally pretty good giving us a hand. There's a few guys who are a couple of grumpy guys, but hey, that's expected. That's what makes the day go by. All right, we're gonna keep dumping and keep getting loaded. Woo! All right, well, a couple drivers pulled over and were like, hey, you need to clean your tailgate. It's really bad. And holy sh**. Wow. All right, let's try to clean this up. I got my scraper. All right, that's good as that's getting. Oh man, I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. All right, so I'm learning lots. It's about, what time is it now? 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'm learning the all different kinds of waves. You got your that, and then you got the guys that just raise the one finger. Anyways, I thought it was just something to share with you guys. You know, there's different types of waving. Whether it depends on how well you know the person, does he know you, has he seen you before, over the course of the day, have they gotten to like you, are you a good driver? It's a lot of older guys, you know, and being a young guy in a truck, they're watching. But it's good, day's going good. We've burnt not even a quarter of a tank yet, which is awesome from my point of view. I'm sure the guys who are normally driving my trucks aren't looking at the fuel, but I'm going easy on the pedal because I know that that turns into dollar signs. But we're gonna keep getting loaded with slop. And I texted Al and I told him, I said, hey man, make sure that you have the pressure washer ready to rock for when I come back to the yard tonight, because I'm going to need it clean. All right, catch you guys in a bit, just updating you. All right, I'll go back to work now. Okay, we just made it back here. You know what? Kudos to truck drivers, guys. I hopped out of that truck and I'm gonna sound like a big baby. You guys are gonna be like, yeah, try doing it every day for your entire life. Kudos to you guys. Kudos to truck drivers. Seriously, my body is aching. That's a stressful job. Mentally, you're always watching, you're backing up, you're getting stuck. I got stuck twice today. It was a big day, but now we gotta wash it off because look at this. So not only is the chrome and everything just dull and everything's super dirty, but the back of the truck is a mess. I didn't like the fact that I had to drive down the road like that, but I had no option. So I scraped as much as I could. We're gonna pressure wash things off here now. Let's do it. All right, that wraps up the day for driving. I'm covered in clay and shit, but at least the back end is clean and stuff won't fall and hit vehicles on the way to back down there tomorrow morning. I did all the chrome, really shit job, basically just so it was safe to go down the road and people could see stuff. So we're back at her tomorrow. We'll catch you then. Day 2 of trucking. We're here just after 7, supposed to be here at 7:15. We're a little early. What a beautiful morning. I just took some shots on Instagram. I'll put them here.
Everybody's taking the time.
Waving good morning. Morning. Man, what a beautiful morning. I love the silhouette of that 1100. And it's a Hitachi 1100. I got corrected last night. They just painted it cat colors. We got another day of trucking here. This company shuts down for long weekends, so I'm assuming this might be the last day for it, but then we'll fire back up and go next week. Hopefully we have a driver to hop in the seat. If not, I'll be the trucker. No big deal. I don't mind this. I actually really like it. I'm on my phone less, so less distractions and more focusing on like listening to good podcasts, listening to myself, thinking to myself. You know, gives you time to think, which could be scary sometimes, but there's Taggart Truck. Morning. Beautiful. All right, let's have a good day. All right, so I haven't been filming much today. Why? Because we're doing pretty much the exact same thing as yesterday. But what I'm doing right now is a regen on the truck. I believe this is the first regen this truck has ever had. It has 24,000 kilometers on it. But reason being is we've been sitting around a lot today because we're waiting on like people moving locations, and our dump site is just pretty bad today. People are getting stuck. I got stuck once. Not as bad as yesterday. But the good thing about a regen is it gave me time to eat my lunch as well as clean the truck. So I wiped down the entire dash, glass, steering wheel. Everything is super clean and tidy now. So that's a bonus. Today's lunch was warmish yogurt, and warmish meaning temperature warm. I didn't put a cooler pack in with me today. And some leftover breakfast potatoes with some ketchup. So that's an update for you guys on my life on this regen. It's flashing, letting me know that the exhaust is super hot, but day's going good. Interesting, basically how you do a regen, I'll show you guys. This little yellow light pops up here. It looks like, it probably tells you up here. Yeah, so this light came on. It says DPF regen needed. That popped up. I found a spot here where nobody was, and I put the truck in neutral, engaged the air brakes, and then basically just held down on this regen button for about 4 seconds, and it fired right up. It's idling at 1300. No, that's 1250 RPM, and yeah, we're just waiting. Hopefully it's not too long. I know that it can be as long as 40 minutes, but that's just one of those things you got to deal with this DEF fluid, DEF, whatever you want to call it. And DEF fluid is saving the environment one plastic non-reusable jug at a time. If you're a trucker, you know what I mean when I say that. All right, let's rock. All right, you guys are watching this on Tuesday, and I'm currently in the loader right now making some topsoil. But I realized I didn't film an outro for that video. Andrew is currently out driving that truck today. Sorry, the older truck, but doing the same job that I was doing. Al's away this week, so I'm running the topsoil operation. But I'm here to tell you guys that if you watch the entire video to the very end, I want you guys to comment down below, truck on driver. Why truck on driver? Well, Andrew's out there today trucking, shifting gears in the 08 and making it happen for us. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, truck on driver. I appreciate you guys as always. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.